This is section 4.4, the double declining balance method. So this is our third method of depreciation that we're talking about. And the double declining balance method produces the highest amount of depreciation in earlier years. It does not recognize salvage or scrap value. The book value at the end of the depreciation period becomes the salvage value. It's often preferred because companies can write off more in the earlier years when the asset contributes the most to the business. So if we look at the book value as a graph, as time goes on, it decreases pretty quickly in the beginning, and then it levels out a little bit at the end. So that's what your book value is going to look like. So to find the equation for double declining balance method, you take 100% divided by the estimated life in years, and then multiply it by 2. Okay, so that 2 is the double part, and that's your depreciation rate. So each year you're going to multiply its book value by the depreciation rate, and that's how much it's going to go down. So a $17,000 asset is to be depreciated over 5 years. Find the depreciation rate. So the rate, we take 100% divided by the time in years, which is 5, times 2. 100% divided by 5 is 20, times 2 is 40. So it depreciates 40% per year. So I'm going to fill in 40 for all of these. Now let's finish the depreciation schedule. Okay, so to find the depreciation for year 1, we take 0.4 times 17,000, because that's the book value, and we get 6,800. So the depreciation for the year is 6,800. The book value at the beginning minus the depreciation gives you the book value at the end of the year, which is 10,200. The book value at the end of the year becomes the book value at the beginning of the next year, so 10,200. And then we repeat the process over and over. So 10,200 times 40% is 4,080. So our depreciation is 4,080. Notice that as the years go by, our depreciation is going to be less and less. So our book value is 6,120. And that carries over to the next year. Same thing. 0.4 times 6,120 is 2,448. So that's our depreciation for the year. And our new book value is 3,672. Carries over. And I'm just going to fill in the rest of the table because it's the same exact process. So it carries over. Depreciation is 881. Our final book value at the end of the depreciation period is 1,323. Again, notice with the double depreciating or double declining depreciation method that as the years go on, the amount that's depreciated goes down.